Ducky's Mecha Mini has been out for a while now, but is it still worth it in 2022? Let's find out. But before that, let's hear a word from our sponsor. Thanks to Surfshark for sponsoring this video. What is Surfshark? Surfshark allows you to browse the internet safely and securely by encrypting your internet traffic and using a safe, protected IP. It also allows you to access geo-restricted content and bypass government restrictions. Learn how to secure your digital life and get a massive 83% off plus an extra 3 months free by using the coupon code TechShark at checkout or click the link in the description below. Starting off with the design, Ducky is known for its solid keyboards and the Mecha Mini doesn't falter. It's a sturdy, well-built design that feels like it could take a beating. Its all-metal aluminum casing feels ultra premium without the premium price tag. The keycaps are PBT, which is the norm for most gaming keyboards nowadays, but you shouldn't see the legends fade away. They are also double shot and laser engraved, which allows for the RGB to shine through them effectively. Speaking of the RGB, the Mecha Mini has an assortment of modes, such as color cycle mode, raindrop mode, ripple mode, random reactive mode, breathe mode, 100% full backlit mode, radar mode, and backlit off. Sadly, there's no software, so you are forced to use the keys to change the modes, which are FN plus Alt T. The Mecha Mini I have here is a limited edition Frozen Llama, which you can't get anymore, but you can still get the keyboard in black. The keyboard has a naturally elevated design with an inbuilt kickstand that elevates it even more. It is made of zinc alloy, which adds to the keyboard's already extremely sturdy design. The included cable, however, doesn't get the same treatment, not even close. It's a USB Type-C, but the quality is just garbage. It feels cheap and even still has all the markings on it from the factory. Couldn't they just have spent the extra $2 to include a braided cable? Aside from that, the keyboard weighs in at 827 grams, which is quite heavy but is expected because of the metal housing. Lastly, the Mecha Mini is 295mm in length, 108mm in width, and 40mm in height. Next up are the switches, and the Mecha Mini comes in all Cherry MX and Kali box flavors such as brown, blue, red, silent red, black, and silver. Now keep in mind that it isn't hot swappable, so you have to get a soldering iron to change out the switches. The Mecha Mini, however, comes with great stabilizers. The one I have here is the MX Blues, and let me tell you, if you're into blues, these sound amazing. Just listen. The switches have a nice crisp clack to them, further enhanced by the Mecha Mini's metal body, which gives them a satisfying clank. Last up is the conclusion, and I gotta say, this keyboard is pretty amazing in 2022. It's a bit sad though that it doesn't have a software, so you have to change the lighting on the keyboard itself. Its non-hot swappable key switches as well might be a deal breaker for many. Its cable isn't that great either, but that doesn't affect much and is a quick fix with a custom cable. But regardless, with its outstanding build quality, excellent features, and great price, you really can't go wrong with this keyboard in 2022. And for only $149 AU, I would recommend it if you're looking for an epic 60% keyboard. Anyways guys, that's all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe and watch this video right here.